For Zulu, you will follow the similar route where, however, you will just make sure that your passage is selected in Zulu, and we will go to our selecting language. As you can see, it takes a few seconds. It's definitely not Indonesian, so we're going to go to our language, scroll down to IsiZulu and select that, and from there we will be able to now go and give it out as a reading passage to our students, or read it as a student if we are struggling with IsiZulu, or even if it is our home language and we are just practicing reading over here. And it's exactly the same steps as before, as with English and with Afrikaans.